Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that promises premium features without breaking the bank: the Lemokey X1. We'll explore its design, performance, and whether it's the right choice for gamers and typists alike. Let's start with the design. Despite its budget price, the Lemokey X1 impresses with a solid build. It features a robust ABS plastic body with a steel plate underneath for added stability and sound dampening. The overall construction feels surprisingly sturdy, reminiscent of more expensive keyboards. When it comes to typing, the Lemokey X1 shines. Whether you're gaming or typing for hours, the keyboard's tactile feedback and comfortable key travel make it a joy to use. I found the tactile brown switches to strike a good balance between responsiveness and quiet operation. Suitable even for office environments. For gamers, the Lemokey X1 holds its ground well. With a 1000 Hz polling rate and responsive mechanical switches, it ensures minimal input lag and accurate key recognition, crucial for competitive gaming. The compact layout also frees up desk space, enhancing maneuverability during intense gaming sessions. Moving on to customization, the X1 features customizable backlighting with various modes like flashing and breathing effects. While it lacks RGB lighting, the red LEDs are vibrant and the shine-through keycaps improve visibility in dim environments. The companion software, accessible via a browser-based app, allows for easy key remapping and lighting adjustments without the need for additional downloads. In conclusion, the Lemokey X1 delivers exceptional value for its price point. Whether you're a budget-conscious gamer or someone looking for a reliable mechanical keyboard for everyday use, it offers solid performance and durability without the premium price tag. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, it excels where it matters most in usability and affordability. That wraps up our review of the Lemokey X1 mechanical keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Lemokey X1 or if there are any other products you'd like me to review next. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.